Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change password in Zangi. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Zangi app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you're going to see options like chats, calls, contacts, and settings. You're going to have to go ahead and select settings from the bottom right corner, then tap on your profile. Once you do that, you're going to see change password as your option halfway through your screen. Tap on it. Now go ahead, enter your new password, then confirm your new password. Once you do that, tap on continue from your screen, then you'll successfully change your password in Zangi. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.